Revolutionize your marketing strategy with iContact and watch your engagement soar to new heights. Don't miss out on endless possibilities. With iContact's drag-and-drop builder, designing beautiful email campaigns becomes an exhilarating and effortless process. Create visuals that captivate your audience instantly. Say goodbye to writer's block. Our AI-powered content assistant is here to transform your emails into engaging masterpieces that resonate deeply with subscribers. Enjoy the power of precise targeting and automate personal interactions with iContact's smart contact management features. Reach your audience like never before. Affordable pricing means you can elevate your email marketing strategy without breaking the bank. Experience transparent plans with no hidden fees or surprises. Join thousands of satisfied customers who rely on iContact to send billions of emails every month, empowering their businesses to thrive and grow. Harness real-time analytics to monitor your campaign performance and adjust your strategies effectively. Stay ahead of the game and optimize every interaction. Access a diverse library of stunning pre-designed email templates that can be easily customized to reflect your brand's unique style and message. Seamless integrations with tools you already use allow you to sync contacts and automate campaigns effortlessly. Maximize efficiency with beloved third-party apps. Take the plunge and start your free 30-day trial with iContact. Discover the ease and impact of exceptional email marketing today.